Sorry, I'm bald. But guess what? Today we're going to be doing a vision board. Woo! Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Princess Ling channel. My name is Ling and let's get started. So right here I actually have a box full of magazines and I'm going to cut out ones that I want on my thingy and I will show you guys. Look, it's Gwen Stefani. Also, I'm gonna be just putting it on this piece of paper. It's not much bigger than a piece of normal paper, an A4 size paper, if you will. It is a poster board, so one side is shiny-ish and the other side is not. But I'm just gonna put it on this. I actually already, if you can see, I already have a vision board up there, but that one was from 2017. I just left it up because, you know, it's still cute and relevant, but I think it's time for a new one. Yes, still bald. Yes, I'm in PJs from Halloween. Yes, I'm successful. I'm gonna show you all of the things that I have cut out. I actually neatly organized it, but I'll obviously have to reorganize it once I show you. This is makeup items. I would like to wear some more makeup this year, or at least in the next 3 months. Discover the new spectacular. I know it sounds random because it's a piece of a sentence, but you know what? I'll discover the new spectacular whatever. This one says movement because I need to do some more movement. Like I feel like I've been stagnant for a while. This is a picture of a chick looking very elegant in a dress. And that's how I want to look. I want to look very elegant in a dress. I mean, I think I already do, but I want to look more elegant. Here's a flower. I really like flowers, so I want to do some more flowery things. Spring hopefully will arrive soon and I can start doing my little flower garden thing again. Some more flowers. This is actually a dress made out of flowers. I like wearing dresses and I like dresses with flowers on them. If I could literally wear something like this, I would, but this is just mostly, I like how this looks and it's really pretty. This is a nice purse. This is actually a Michael Kors purse. I hope that I can buy a nice purse like $50 and above in the next 3 months. That'll be awesome. This is a Benjamin. You know, I want to make some more money in the next 3 months. He's signifying my more money happening. This sort of represents the colors that I want to wear more of. Like I haven't worn a whole lot of like green or this jade looking green and this red. I haven't worn a whole lot of red. But then it also signifies that I want to pick up learning my Asian languages again because I used to do that all the time, but now I'm just kind of sitting there looking at them and hoping I don't forget the languages I do know. Mostly I can speak some Korean and I used to speak Japanese. I was learning Arabic for a while and also Hindi, but I don't remember any of the last couple ones. Like I just honestly love learning languages in general, but I really want to pick up the Asian languages again. I rearranged it back to what I thought it looked like before. I'm gonna glue it together. You ready? So there it is, completed. This is generally it. I might go back and add some sparkles later. I'll also add the date on the back that I made it and for what I'm projecting to get this stuff for. For me, this is a 3-month vision board and I'll probably make another one because I have a billion magazines. Like, oh my gosh, too many. Thank you for coming to watch this short video today. I hope you liked it. I hope it inspired you to start making a vision board. Not just one for the year, but like shorter periods of time. I feel like you're able to complete those if you make it really short instead of a long, big one. And then you look at it and you're like, wow, I haven't done any of that. Thank you for watching today's video. Bye! Subscribe!